Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of rug making with the Riiai Tufting Gun Starter Kit. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just getting started, this kit promises to revolutionize how you create beautiful rugs at home. Stick around as we explore its features, performance, and whether it lives up to the hype as the best rug tufting supplies on the market. First off, what makes the Riiai Tufting Gun Starter Kit stand out? It's more than just a tool, it's a complete package for rug making enthusiasts. This kit includes a tufting gun, a carpet trimmer, and everything you need to get started on your rug making journey. Let's break down why this might be the perfect addition to your crafting arsenal. The star of the show is the tufting gun itself. Designed for ease of use, it allows you to effortlessly create both cut pile and loop pile rugs. With adjustable speed settings, even beginners can quickly get the hang of tufting. Plus, its 360 degrees rotatable handle ensures comfortable and precise control, whether you're working on a horizontal or vertical surface. During our tests, we found the Riiai Tufting Gun to be incredibly versatile. Switching between cut pile and loop pile modes is a breeze. Simply remove the scissor head to change the style of your rug. This flexibility not only saves you time but also expands your creative possibilities. Let's talk about build quality. The tufting gun feels sturdy in hand, which is crucial for long crafting sessions. It's also equipped with a reliable carpet trimmer that ensures clean edges and professional finishing touches. The included rug shaver further enhances precision, making it easier to sculpt your designs with intricate detail. While we're impressed by its performance, what are others saying? The Riiai Tufting Gun Starter Kit has garnered positive reviews for its reliability and ease of use. Customers appreciate the comprehensive set of tools and the results they can achieve, from hobbyists to those looking to create unique home decor pieces. In conclusion, if you're serious about rug tufting or looking to dive into a new craft, the Riiai Tufting Gun Starter Kit is a solid investment. Its quality construction, combined with intuitive design features, makes it a standout choice in the world of rug making supplies. Whether you're making rugs for your home or considering starting a small business, this kit has everything you need to get started. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more in-depth product critiques. Have you tried rug tufting before, or is this your first time considering it? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, happy crafting!